Hi, this is Michael, and this is a review of the, I think it's pronounced Noii, not really sure, N-O-I-I, and this is a shockproof case. It is designed for the iPhone XR. Now, this is not the Noii case right now. I wanted to show you the case I currently use on my phone. This is actually an OtterBox case that I like quite a lot, and the reason I'm showing it to you is it has a feature that I think is so important in any case that you might be considering for your smartphone. See this edge here, this bezel. This is raised above the display of the phone, and it's so important that you have a case that has a bezel on it, because if your phone falls face down like this, if you have nothing to raise that up a little bit from the screen itself is going to absorb the force of that fall, and you're probably going to get a cracked screen as a result. Now, even though I already have a glass screen protector on here, I still have a little bit of bezel left, raising that up off the surface. So that is a really important feature. So now we can take a look at the Noii shockproof case for the iPhone XR. Now, they give you a lot of goodies in here, actually. I opened this up and I was kind of surprised. Here's the case itself. It's really fairly attractive. I love the clear back on it, and it does have this kind of a grippy silicone edge on it, so you really get a secure feeling. And you'll notice that the corners have an extra bit of thickness, so on a corner fall, that's going to help protect your phone. They also give you a little stand here, which is kind of cool. I don't think this is anything I'd stick in my pocket and take with me, but it's certainly going to be handy on my desk. And you just put your stand down there like this, open up your phone, and you can put it in like this. So it provides a nice platform for your phone to sit on. They give you a microfiber cleaning cloth and some wipes, because this case includes a glass screen protector. Now, to be honest and to be truthful, I have not installed this because I already have a glass screen protector on my phone, and I'm not going to take that off in order to put this one on. But I want to show you this in any case, and you can see that it would fit on your phone just like this, and that's it. Now, it does have the little cutout here for your speaker, and not much else I have to say about that. Say, compared to the glass screen protector I have on there already, you can see that this one is cut a little bit differently. I don't think there's any downside to this. Perhaps the only thing to note is that the camera lens is going to also be going through the glass screen protector, as opposed to this. This is not going to add any extra glass for that lens to go through. So I don't know if that's going to affect the photos a little bit or not if you're doing selfies, but something to just pay attention to. All right, so let's put the phone in the case and see how it looks. And here we go. So I love the clear back. I just like that I can see my phone in all its glory. Of course, this is going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, I think. And also, it looks perfect right now, but I'm almost sure that after a couple of weeks, there's going to be lots of little fine micro scratches on here. So that's why I'm going to revisit this in a little while and let you know how that's holding up. But as far as it protecting the phone, let's check that bezel that I was just talking about. Yep, and this does have a nice amount of bezel on it, so I do feel like it's going to protect my phone better than having no bezel whatsoever. Of course, we have the cutouts are all exactly where they should be. The speaker is open and clear, and you've got plenty of room to put your lightning plug in there. And then these corner protectors, I really like the fact that there's a little bit of extra protection here. So all in all, I'm quite happy with the way this looks, and it seems like it's going to protect my phone quite well. So I give it a thumbs up, and that's about all I can tell you about this. I do like the fact that they give you the cleaning wipes, so when you do use the glass screen protector, you've got some wipes here that you can use to clean your screen with and make sure it's perfectly clean and dust-free before you apply that. So that's all I have to say for this, and thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. And hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it. Catch you next time, guys.